Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Let's continue the lesson. Okay, previously we have go to the partial fractions with the forms of the linear factor. But now we would like to proceed with the combinations of the repeated linear factor and then the irreducible function. Irreducible factor. Okay, let's say if you have s squared minus 29s plus 5 over s minus 4 squared, and then you have another one which is s squared plus 3. Alright, according to this one, you will have the denominator with two what we call it, two different factor. The first one is a repeated linear, and then the second one is the irreducible root function. So what we can do it is we need to find what is the partial fraction correspond to the particular factor. So since we have here is a linear repeated, and then this one is the irreducible factor. So we will have, the first one is a over s minus 4, and then let's say I use ABC, and then the b is s minus 4 squared, and then the last one, since it's irreducible factor, so I will have cs plus d, and then s squared plus 3. So by using the similar technique, we need to make it the denominator on the right hand side similar to the denominator to the left hand side. So what we can do it is we need to multiply the a with the factor that it does not have. For example, the a lag with s minus 4, and then lag with the x squared plus 3, while b lacking with the s squared plus 3, and then we have cs plus d over here lacking with the s minus 4 squared. Alright, so here you need to be very careful, and then let's say I directly matching with the left hand side minus 29s. I have x squared minus 29s plus 5. So we need to matching the left hand side and then the right hand side. However, for the right hand side, you need to expand carefully so that you will get the correct answer. Alright, so what you will have over here, you will have a, and then you will have s cubed plus 3s minus 4s squared minus 12 for this one, and then you will have bs squared plus 3b, and then please be careful with this one because you need to expand this one first. You will get s squared minus 8s plus 16. Alright, let me expand first for this one. What you will get here is a s cubed plus 3as minus 4as squared minus 12a plus bs squared plus 3b. And then for this one, please be careful. You will have c s cube minus 8cs squared and then plus 16cs, and then you will have ds squared minus 8ds and then plus with 16d. Alright. Okay, so now please match with the left hand side. Okay, so for this one, the matching might be easier. You just matching with the highest power first. So let's say you have s power of 3 and then the coefficient of the left hand side is 1, and then you just take it directly the coefficient that having s power of 3. So you will have a minus c. And then the second one, you just gathered the s with power of 2. However, okay, be careful because s power of 3 here is 0. Okay, and then power of 2 we have 1. Okay, you go to the power of 2, you have minus 4a, and then you have plus b, and then you have what here? Alright, we have here minus 8c. Okay, we have done for the s square. Then go for the s power of 1, where the s power of 1 you have for this one. And then to the left hand side you have minus 29. Here you have 3a. And then again you will have plus 16c. This one. And then you have here minus 8d. Alright, minus 8d. And then for the constants, you will have 5 to the left hand side, and then you just get the left behind. Negative 12a plus 3b, and then you have another one over here plus 16d. Alright. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to find what is a, b, c, d. Okay, by using calculator, I believe that you understand how to find it. Okay, by using calculator, then you will get your a is equal to 1, b negative 5, c negative 1, and then d 2. Alright. Okay, so when you already have that one, what you need to do is you need to put in the representative partial fraction form that you have. For example, you have a is equal to 1, and then we have s minus 4, and then we have b is negative 5, we have s minus 4 squared, and then we have c, which is we have a negative s here, and then we have 2 over here, so we have s squared plus 3. Okay, so this is your challenge, how to find the inverse Laplace. For the first terms, I think it's quite easy because of you can directly get from the table for this one. Okay, what about this one? Alright, this one, what about this one? You need to use what? For this one, I think you need to use the first shift, and then for this one you may separate it first. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, s minus 4 minus 5 s minus 4 squared, and then minus s over s squared plus 3 plus 2 over s squared plus 3. Okay, so here you will get directly from the table. This one first shift theorem, and then this one directly from the table, and this one is directly from the table. Alright, okay, so let's go one by one. Okay, so you need to inverse 1 over s minus 4 minus, and then you need to inverse 5 over s minus 4 squared. Okay, for this one also you will get directly from the table. Okay, and then the last one you will get also directly from the table. Okay, so now the first term over here you will get in term of the, since your a is 4, so you will get exponent 4t, and then according to the first shift theorem for this one, okay, you will have minus here, 5 is your constant, and then your a is 4, so you will have 40 over here, and then you just need to, okay, you need to inverse. You need to inverse your 1 over s squared, right? Okay, so for the second one, for the next one over here, you will get directly from the table, so you will have negative. Okay, since here is a plus, you will got cos, and then your a now is the t, and then also for this one you will got, okay, you will have a sine t plus, and then you have 2 sine 3t. Alright, okay, so you need to remember when you put the over here is the sine 3t, you need to have the over here 3. So now let's go for this one because it's still not complete. So finally what you will get is negative 40 minus 5 exponent 40, and then for this one you will get the t, alright, minus cos 3t, and then you will have over here 2 over t sine 3t. So this is the answer. Alright, okay, it's a little bit complicated, however you need to be patient and apply all the knowledge that you have studied previously. Alright, thank you.